Alright guys, in this lab we need to migrate an existing ingress to the new gateway API. The task says we have an existing ingress named web in the namespace web app, and we need to create two resources. First, a gateway named web gateway. Second, an HTTP route named web route. And the gateway class already exists and it's called Nginx, so we don't have to create it. Also, very important, the question tells us explicitly to use API version v1 beta 1, but that's not, that's only specific to this task. In the real exam, you would just need to use the API version v1 or whatever version they provide you in the real exam. All right, so let's go ahead and first of all check the existing resources. And before that, of course, we need to SSH into the task instance. Now let's do get ingress and webs app, and we have the ingress, and let's describe it. Ingress web and web app. All right, so as we can see, this is the host, and this is the backend it points to, and port 80. And the goal is now to migrate into a to the gateway API. All right, so let's also check the service. Okay, get svc and web app, and we have a web service cluster IP type. All right, so and here we can confirm that the gateway class name Nginx already exists, and the question says exists, but we always have to verify it's always important to double check. All right, so now let's look at, we need to first create the gateway. So first thing we're gonna do is basically go to the, just as you do on the real exam, you would have to go here and search for gateway. So you get an example YAML on which you can base your on things. So here we go. Now we have the gateway YAML file example. We're gonna copy it. We're going to create a file called, we're gonna vim gateway web gateway .yaml. Gonna paste the content. Okay, now the first thing we have to do, of course, is change the API version so we get the validation. So it's v1 beta 1, and then we're going to go and change the name. And the name, I advise you in the real exam to just copy paste instead of just typing it yourself. So the gateway is called web gateway, and we're going to paste it, and then the namespace is web app, and again we're going to paste it. All right, so the gateway next, so now the gateway class name is Nginx according to the Nginx. This one is easy to type. And okay, now for the listeners, we're going to go with HTTPS, so we're going to change everything accordingly. The protocol and the port, and the host name is what we have here, and it's, I'm gonna paste it. We're going to remove the example. All right, and yeah, for a lot routes for now we do not need it, so I'm going ahead and remove everything related here. However, we would need to specify TLS. All right, now it's environment is bugging. Yeah, now it's all good. So we're gonna add TLS, and we're going to go in here with mode, terminate. Certificate refs, and we're going to give the name that they provided us with. And for that, we're going to give name and web TLS as it says in the task. Right, so that should be it. Now we can just go ahead and save the file and now create it web gateway, and it is created. Now, just a quick recap. So the gateway class name is Nginx, tells Kubernetes which gateway controller should handle this gateway. So the listener is listener HTTPS port for 443, and the host name is gateway.web.kas.local. For TLS, we use a mode terminal, meaning the TLS connection ends at the gateway, and the gateway decrypts the traffic and forwards normal HTTP traffic to the backend service. And the secret web TLS must exist in the same namespace, which is web app. So that's a quick recap, and we can just go ahead and do get gateway.n web app. Now we have the gateway already created. Now it's time to create the HTTP route. So for this one, once again, we're just going here to check, and we already have an example here, and I'm just going to paste the whole file and create vim http_route.yaml. I'm going to paste the example YAML file, then just start to modify it directly. So now we have beta 1, and that should be good. And now for the kind, we're gonna keep the kind, the name, we need to change the name to web example, web routes. Yep. Also have to add the namespace, which is a web app. And then the parentRef, we will have to add the web gateway, as it is called here, web gateway. So that's our gateway, and the host names for this case is provided here. I'm gonna copy it, remove the text here, just paste, and now the path is going to be just slash, as it says here, and the backend ref is going to be web service, and the port is 80. I'm just gonna copy it, and we're gonna remove this 80, so our file is good. Just okay, let me go back here real quick and explain the important parts. So the parentRef connects to the connects the route to the gateway. Host names means this route only matches requests for that specific host name. And the path match is a path prefix with slash, so it matches everything under the root path. And the backend ref sends the traffic to the Kubernetes service named web service on port 80. So now let's go back and just create HTTP, and we should be good. Just quick verification. Okay, get HTTPRoute. And the namespace, which is web app, and we have the web route created with the correct host name, and it should be all good. So this is the task number 5. You can go ahead into the CKA-prep.com and access the lab yourself and do the labs. And I hope you guys understood what I just explained. And feel free to leave a comment, like the video, and see you on the next question.